Welcome to another episode of OSFirstTimer. Today, Diana is going to be trying out Elementary OS Luna. However, this operating system isn't actually fully released yet, and it's currently in beta phase, so this is beta 1 of the operating system, which was released on the 14th of November, 2012. Fire it up.
Okay.
So what are your first impressions? The name, Elementary OS.
It sounds as if it's going to be easy.
Okay, easy.
Yes.
Let's just wait for it to come up. And also the fact that you can run it off a USB really easily.
Yes.
Good?
Good.
Yeah. Okay. So what do you think of the boot screen when it pops up? Wait a sec. So this is the boot screen. What do you think of it?
Oh well, E for elementary. Fine.
Yeah. Now just waiting a sec. It's just told you that the wireless or wired is connected. And we're just going to click try because we're not going to install it. Okay, here we go. So this is what the computer looks like. We've got applications in the top corner, the time and date there, some other symbols over here, a checkered or gridded background of blue, and a bar similar to the Mac bar at the bottom. So what do you think of how it looks?
I was about to say the bar at the bottom is similar to the Mac
Yes.
one. So.
Okay, so your first task is what time is it?
Okay, time. Here we go. Sunday, December 9th, 10:45 AM.
Great. Now, can you write, save and open a text document?
Okay. I wonder if I go down here. Oh, files? Oh no, that would, I'm assuming files would be things you've already written and saved. Okay, applications. I'm clicking applications because I'm thinking...
What do you think about the speed of how that opened?
Well, it's instant. Maya. Oh, is that the Mayan calendar?
What do you? What's Maya calendar?
The Mayans, you know how they predict the end of the world, 21st of December?
Yeah, I guess they were playing a few, like, you know, since it is 2012, the operating system, they may as well call the calendar Maya.
Okay. Okay, now, these are files that are already there, I'm assuming. Oh, Scratch. Maybe that's... Oh, I thought that's how you do a file from scratch. But it doesn't look like it. Okay, so I'll get
Read
out of that.
first, please.
Open a file. Oh, here we go. Open file. Oh, look, I like the way it's got the cross there, so you know how to close these things. That's good. So I do want to open a file.
Before it's even written.
Okay, cancel. Oh, good. Cancel. New file. Create new empty file. There we go. There we go.
Simple.
And now save it. Where would the save be? No. Open a file. Save the current file. Okay, yes. Okay, file. Enter. Please select a folder below. Oh, does this mean this is to what folder to put it in?
Try to stay on the elementary, so can you just click on elementary just because those are the
Yeah.
when you really install this, those won't be there, so you can just choose where you want it. So these are the elementary files. Documents. Okay.
Save. I'm assuming it's saved. Did I save it properly? Oh yeah, now it is. Okay, and I'm going to get out of it now.
Now access your folder or files to open that.
Okay, well, here are the files here. I'm assuming it's going to be in here, and it's in the documents, and there's my file. Okay, easy
Is it
enough.
really fast?
It's instant. I can't get over how instant
It is, and this is off a USB.
Yeah, this is good.
And if you close stuff, tell me what you think of the fade effect. So notice when you click something, watch. See how it fades into the desktop? Do you like that rather than just disappearing?
It's okay. I don't mind it. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so next is open the internet browser and then make it full screen. So open it, then make it full screen.
Okay.
And then close it again.
So I didn't see internet down here. Oh, wait a sec. What's this? Midori. I don't know what that is. Sounds like a drink. I assume you click it once, not double click it.
Yes, because you open two.
Twice. Okay, well it's not that. So applications. Midori private browsing. Well, I want to browse the internet, but I don't know what this Midori is. Okay, I don't think it's here.
If you
Oh,
need
I see.
advice or you give up, tell me.
I'm going to need a little help. I think.
Midori is the web browser.
Oh, it is the web browser. Okay, well.
Everything has a funny name. It's not called web browser. Like the calendar is called Maya.
Yep.
Now, how do you know this is a web browser?
I was going to say that's no. It's not. Oh, here's
Because
the
it's got an address bar, so you can put any address in there to go to it.
What if you just want to, like, Google search?
You type in www.google.com. Not with that many W's though. Why did I do so many? Just with 3 W's. Why did I do... There we go.
Oh, there's
And the actual advice I said was to make it full screen or task.
Okay.
So how would you make it full screen?
Oh, there we go. That's logical. Can you set it so that it instantly comes up with the Google and I don't have to...
You can do that with any web browser.
Okay.
So if you wanted to... Well, how would you do that? Show me.
I don't know.
Look at some of the icons.
That's back, that's forward, that would be refresh. That's a bookmark. Maybe you can bookmark it.
Bookmarking is to kind of keep the file, will keep the web page so it's easy to access if you ever want to. It's like a link that you can keep.
These things don't...
Those things are not related to the web browser.
Oh, okay.
Only things in the silver bar at the top are related to the web browser.
I was wondering why they weren't reacting. Okay.
If you need help,
Yes, I do.
over here is a settings or menu screen,
Yep.
and you could go to preferences and then see where it says homepage. You would type in www.google.com, then it would do it all the time. Note that I've never done this before and I just made that up on the spot. Meaning
Really?
that's how intuitive it is. I didn't have to think like I've never used this OS before, so I just guessed all that.
But it's
And
not working.
You press use its
Oh.
current homepage, and then that's now your homepage. So if you
Oh.
ever open it again, so let's close and open it.
Just one quick question. It's running Midori. Can we run Firefox on it? Because that's what I'm used to.
Well, that was a task I was going to give you later.
Right.
Okay, so for now let's do the next task. What is 48 times 32?
Okay, well first of all I'll close that, and that's a calendar. Applications. I'd assume calculator is in there. Okay, what was it?
48 times 32.
Where's the times?
Is it really that hard to find?
I can't. Oh, there it is. 42. There we go. 2016. I don't know, I just didn't see it. It's right there, but I didn't
Yeah.
see it. It must be,
Okay.
it's just...
Yeah, it's nothing
I'm
to do with the
tired.
fault of the operating system.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so the next task is customize the way your computer looks.
Okay, I wonder if it's in applications. No. Empathy internet messaging? What is that all about?
Well, it just told you. Chat on Google Talk, Facebook, MSN, and many other chat
Empathy?
surfaces.
That just sounds
That's
weird.
every name, instead of calling it Instant Messenger or something, that's what they call it. Every program has a different name,
Okay.
except for calculator
Okay,
and
Shot or
screenshot.
photo.
See, even
We don't want
Scratch,
that.
instead of being like Notepad, it's called Scratch.
Yes.
Instead of being iTunes, it's called Noise. Like, they've got all these weird different names.
Oh, I
Instead
don't
of
know.
Media Player, it's Movie Player.
I don't
Instead of
know whether I
Color,
like
it's Maya. Instead of Internet Browser, it's Midori.
I don't know whether I really like that sort of thing. I just call it something a bit more... I mean, if it's elementary, they should really call it something more logical than what they
Okay.
have. Okay, well, it's not here. Let's have a look if it's on page 2. Okay, system settings, system monitor, software center. I wonder if it's system monitor. Oh no, that doesn't look right. Okay, I don't think it's there. Shotwell. Files.
It's an image editor. Notice the names they give for everything?
Yeah, I wonder if it's up here. No, that's install drivers. Oh, I found the turning off thing. So
So you give up?
yeah, where is it?
You want to customize the way your computer looks, you would go to your system settings.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh well. Okay, so displays.
That's all to do with the monitor you're using and the resolution. See?
So I don't want that, do I?
Yeah.
Okay, well I'll go back to displays. Colour. That doesn't seem right either.
What would you like to customize? What's the most easiest thing?
Just the look of the screen. So desktop.
Yep.
Ah, there we go.
Those are desktop backgrounds.
Oh,
What do
they're
you
nice
like?
Ones.
You can click
I
a
like
few
that.
if you want and have a look at
No,
them.
no, that one's good. I like that. That's
There we
nice.
go. Okay. So this is the second last task before turning off your computer.
Okay.
Download and install and use an application that interests you.
Okay, so
But it must be a Linux application.
okay. Well, here we are back at Google. That's good. I'm used to Google. At least they didn't change that. Now, so I'm downloading an application,
Anything that interests you.
but it's got to be compatible with this. It's
Yeah.
got to be this. And what is this one again? Elementary.
It's elementary OS, but remembering that all Linux operating systems, at least as far as I know, are intercompatible or cross-compatible, that's what I meant to say. So anything for Linux will work on any Linux system.
Okay, so I should be looking up Linux then. Linux applications. Is that how you spell Linux? Oh, here it is. Linux App Finder. Is it an app that we're looking for?
Let me just...
Find quality apps that run on Linux. Okay, here's some names of apps. Let's have a look.
Note that all Linux systems can get apps without using your internet browser. You've got something called a software manager.
Oh, okay.
Like in all
but I could have done it this way.
You can do it this way,
But
it's,
you're worried because you don't know what I'm going to end up finding here.
I just don't think it'll work
Okay.
very well. It's better to use the proper thing so it can install it like properly. Like I've never really tried to install a Linux application without using the software manager, but you could, obviously.
Okay, so
otherwise that website wouldn't
Manager.
exist.
Software
Center.
Center, I think that would be it.
You can choose an application.
Okay.
There's categories at the side.
Video, developer tools, drawing,
So anything that interests
astronomy. Okay.
you. Notice they're all free.
Let's look at astronomy.
So how would you actually download it? This is a page talking about this application. How would you download or install?
Well, here we go. Install.
Great. There's a little bar going across. So you can
It's
read
got
about what it does.
5-star rating. So
5-star and
lots of
323 people, yeah, like it. So this seems like a good application. Now what I might do is I'm just going to pause this video until it downloads. So here we go. Due to some difficulties downloading that previous program, it being a bit too big and just not wanting to download, we just chose another one off screen there. So I'll give you another task. How would you view the progress of this download to see how much in megabytes it's done?
Well, this is the progress here. I wonder
Yeah.
if I click it.
Applying changes. So it's obviously it's downloaded now.
Yeah.
And that
oh, yeah,
bar's
there's
just
the bar
showing the
there,
progress
showing it.
of how much longer it's got. So this time it actually downloaded. That other program just had an error in downloading and it just
Okay.
wouldn't want to download. But here we go,
Installed.
Jabra
Okay.
installed, so now run it. It would be now on your computer.
File run. There's no run.
Remember, this is the Software Center. Please try to run the application that you have just installed, which would be on your computer. You no longer need that software
Oh,
manager.
it would be under applications then. And it would have probably added it to the end. Oh, I can't see it. Maybe if I search for it.
What do you notice about the names of everything? SSSSSTU?
Yeah. Oh, it's in alphabetical
Alphabetical order.
Okay. GeoGebra. There we go.
There we go. So you found the program and now it's running.
Yeah.
There we go, that wasn't too hard. And you like the program, you want to add it to your little bar at the bottom, and then you can turn your computer off. So how would you add it to the bottom?
Would I just pick it up and... No, it won't go. Maybe if I go back to applications, I see it then if I drag it and drop it. Ah, didn't like that. Went back.
Honestly, you're very close. Try again. There it is.
Oh, it's there now.
And you want to take it off the bar because you hate the program now.
Ooh. Put it back there. Oh. Or maybe delete it. What does it say? Keep in dock. Oh,
You've
now
just
I've
opened it?
again.
So you're having a bit of difficulty removing it from the dock?
Yeah, I am.
Honestly, I don't know what happened before. You seriously should be able to grab it and it just blows up.
But then it comes back.
No, but it's only come back because the program's open. So if you close the program, it's gone.
It's gone. Okay.
There we go. So turn the computer off.
Okay, I know how to turn the computer off, but how do I get rid of this?
How did you open it?
I forgot.
You forgot how you opened that menu.
Applications. Oh, you click on applications again. Okay, well turning off is easy. It's just simply clicking on that. Shut down. Shut down.
What do you think about this log off screen? How it just fades off and then the computer's off.
Yeah. I have to admit it's pretty fast.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. It's pretty smooth running as well.
Now, your
but-
favourite systems so far have been, I'm going to say it how they told me to pronounce it, Ubuntu and...
Ubuntu.
or Ubuntu, or Ubuntu, however you want to pronounce it.
Yeah.
And Linux Mint Cinema Edition. Out of these 3 Linux operating systems, which is your favourite?
I always liked the Ubuntu. Is that correct? Saying it.
Well, actually, you preferred Linux Mint.
No, I liked the
Yeah,
Ubuntu.
you did, but then you liked Linux Mint better. Does this elementary beat Linux Mint? I mean, you know what I'm talking about. I said
No, I think
Lint,
Linux Mint.
Lint Minix once.
Yeah,
Anyway,
no,
go.
I think Linux Mint was the best one that I liked. The only thing I've got against this one is that apart from being smooth running and super fast, which is
Yeah.
fantastic, it gives funny names to things. I mean, shouldn't calendar be calendar, not Maya? And shouldn't, all these other things...
Could you still tell what the programs were from their icons? Were the icons a
The
good
icons
representation?
were helpful, but the names were confusing.
Would you be willing to run this operating system on your computer knowing that, and yes, I tested it on your computer, even though your computer is an old laptop which is super slow,
Yeah.
it ran as lightning fast as it did on my computer. It is lightning fast on pretty much any computer.
I like lightning fast because it means I'm not
You're getting
wasting
things done
time.
fast.
Yeah,
And
I
you're
like
not,
that.
and there's less crashing and kind of things
Yeah.
like that.
Is there a way to make the Linux Mint run this fast?
I won't answer. Let's just say they would have to customise it themselves, the developers, to make it run this fast. Or you could buy a faster computer.
Okay. But why does this run fast on my slow computer?
Because the way they've programmed it is they've made it very lightweight, which means it's doing the least amount of things possible. It's not running all this unnecessary things in the background. It's running absolutely, as far as I know, the minimal things it needs to, so it runs as fast as possible.
But that sounds really good. Why don't all operating systems run like that?
Well, I can't answer that. So look it up on Google. Goodbye.